Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's session, we will try to understand how prompt engineering works for software professionals, QA and automation testers. Okay, guys, you are able to see my screen, right? This is my channel. If you find my sessions are helpful, no, please subscribe my channel. And we will try to see like today's topic is very important and also a trending topic. Prompt engineering for the software QA automation professionals. Okay, this is what we will see in today's session. So normally, right, prompting means what is meant by prompting? Prompting is nothing but instructions or input. Prompt is nothing but some instructions, some input, right, and given to the like ChatGPT, okay, to get the response. So your prompt should be correct or it should be perfect. Okay, before diving into the prompt engineering topic, okay, we will understand what is meant by prompt engineering. See, prompt engineering is nothing but so how we are going to ask question to AI tools, right? Okay, see, I have this editor. Okay, I will use this editor or online tools for text. Save some. Okay, edit something, edit. Okay, we have edit part, right? Okay, what I am trying to discuss, right? Okay, prompt engineering. So prompt engineering means so how you ask questions to AI tools? How you ask questions to AI tools? What are the AI tools like ChatGPT, COPILOT, CLAUDE? So and other. So there are multiple AI tools, right? Okay, to get the best output or best response. So that is nothing but prompt engineering means. See how you are going to ask questions to AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude to get the better response or to get the best output. So here, so you are going to ask questions, right? Questions or prompts in the name of input or instructions. So this is what you need to remember. So you are going to give in the form of input or instructions. Okay. Now the task should be very clear. Here in simple words, right? What I can say, better prompt, you will get better result, better output. So simple. So if you are giving instructions in understanding way, better way, you will get the better response, better output. Okay. How you are going to ask the question, right? That should be in a instructed manner. Okay. Why prompt engineering is very important for QA testers? Okay. Why prompt engineering? Why prompt engineering is very important for QA testers. So first one is writing test cases, so you can generate automation scripts, so you can debug the failures, creating test data, understanding complex code. So if you want try to understand why prompt engineering, so based on the prompt only, you are going to get generate test cases, generate automation scripts, debugging failures. But you should know what type of question, what type of prompt you should give, what type of instructions you should give to the AI tools like ChatGPT, CLAUDE, COPILOT to get the better output, understanding complex scenarios, creating test data. Okay. See here, I told you, right, better prompt, you will get better output. If your prompt is not clear, prompt is not clear, AI will give AI will give wrong or generic answers. So normal answers. So AI will give wrong answers or normally common answers, generic answers. But your prompt should be very important. Okay. Now we will discuss about what is bad prompt, what is good prompt. We'll discuss what is bad prompt, what is good prompt. Okay. What is bad prompt and what is good prompt? Here, suppose I am generating the test cases. Okay. So bad prompt can be write test cases for login. Just you are mentioning write test cases for login. Okay. Here you need to understand two things. One is the prompt what we are generating. It's too generic, right? Write test cases for login. So it is generic prompt. It is too generic. The problem is it is too generic. No context. No context. So what it will see, I will paste this prompt here. Write test cases for login. Go here and paste here. See, I opened the ChatGPT also. Write test cases for login. Just enter. Can you see here? It gave too generic. Hmm? Below is comprehensive test for login feature. So it gave like around 30 test cases. It gave some context and all, account logged, test scenario, test step, test data, expected result. Okay. The format it has given correct only. Test case, test scenario, test steps, test data. But these are too generic, right? Login with valid credentials, enter valid username and password, enter valid username and password. It is too generic, right? User should log into the dashboard page. Invalid username, invalid password, enter valid name, valid password. Okay. This is too generic, right? Hmm? No context in this. Just it's a normal prototype of the application it is giving. Okay. Now what I'll do, right? Now good prompt, no? How good prompt looks like. I'll show you. See. Good prompt. Good prompt, right? How it looks. I'm asking, write positive and negative Few test cases for a login page with username, password, and login button. Okay. Include edge cases also. Include edge cases also. So our application is say right now I am taking uh, demo orange HRM. This is our application I am picking. Just say this is our application, right? Okay, our application is orange HRM demo application user credentials username, admin, password, admin 123. Okay, now this is my prompt. This is nothing but a good prompt. So how this good prompt appears? It appears in a structure. It is expecting the structured way. It is given in a structured way. Okay, we are expecting structured output and also cover real scenarios. This is very important. Okay, this is what I am giving. Now just observe before this one and right now this one. Just I am duplicating this. Okay, just go with the new one. Okay, now see. So below is the comprehensive set of positive test cases, edge test cases for an HRM demo application, negative application. See preconditions, orange HRM demo application, login URL, admin user, admin password. Okay, can you see? Verify login with valid credentials, enter valid username and valid password. Okay, admin 123 user should be able to log into the dashboard page. So when you compare previous one, right? See, login with valid credentials, enter valid username and password, click on, but test data is real. What are the test data we are passing here? Is real. User should belong to display page. And see here it is categorized. Okay. Now give us negative scenarios and give us edge cases also it is giving. Okay. Hmm? You understand, right? So UI test case validations, security test cases. See, totally this is how this is the structured way of giving good prompt, and also we're expecting the structured output covering real-time scenarios. This is one example. Okay. So you should be very clear what you need to put in chart. That is what here you should be very clear. So you should be very clear what you are going to put in the chart, either in ChatGPT or Claude, what you are going to ask question. That is very important, right? Even you can add before this prompt, right? Even so the same prompt I will give here. You can help me with this, like help me with or summarize, summarize, summarize. So like this. So you can provide the uh, task, right? So it will give brief or clear explanation. I'll give one more time here. See here. See summary. Summarize means summary of the request. It is giving positive test cases, negative test cases. Okay, already it is covered, right? So you can add summarize also in front of that prompt. Okay, and so the context, right? The context is very important. Background. So background of the background of the application, like application name, what is the application, what are the user credentials, those things are very important. Okay, background is very important, context is very important. So now we are asking this chart how we want, like generate test cases, hmm, for login functionality. See how I want, no, now I will tell you. See the same one, huh? You give the format, right? Okay, this same format name. Okay, let it be the same format. Copy this format. Okay, now Control V. So add expected result, actual result also. Column actual result status pass fail. Okay, status we can add in that pass fail, and download the above test cases in the same format in Excel. Excel, create separate sheets for positive, negative, and edge test cases. See, so this is one more. So I am asking what I want. I am giving some instructions to the AI tool, ChatGPT. This is how I want. So however we got this in the same format, no? Add extra columns, actual result, status, download the test cases in the form of Excel, create separate sheets for positive, negative, edge test cases. Okay. Okay. Now see, download option is coming, right? Just download it. Open from here. Can you see here? So it has created. Can you see? Along with the steps, actual result, expected result, added. Hmm? Negative test cases, edge test cases. Again, just say test cases, column names, update with uh, background color, give proper spacing, and add border for test cases. Again, download it. Download the Excel file. Okay. Just I'm asking again, I'm giving the prompt. See what you want, you can ask it. Okay. So when you are writing the prompts, right? This is how prompts will help us more. So if you write different prompts, right? So and also the prompts, right? You should not give a big prompt. If you try to give small prompts, no, then it will be more helpful. So right now we are seeing the prompt and all. That's okay. But if you divide those prompts into uh, the multiple, no, then it will be more helpful. See, download. I'm doing download. Downloaded the file. Can you see now? Can you see? It is given with the proper spacing, right? With the background color. These are the column, right? These are the column names for the each and every test case. Default column names, test scenario, test steps. So background got updated. See, everything is very clean right now. So before one, if you see here, it looks clumsy, right? So this is the latest one. So this is the before one sheet. So but I asked the latest one with the proper alignment, space, borders and all. It looks very good, right? So this is what how the prompt is helpful. So this is how the prompt engineering helps for QA testers. Okay, even for automation testers, right? This is okay. Even for automation testers, go to our prompt. Now you will give. I'm creating one more new chart here. So what you'll do? Write playwright code. So just write playwright code. Just if I give write playwright code. So for the first time, right? However, it is taking orange HRM. So it see one advantage is so whatever you are giving the recent prompts, right? Based on that also it will analyze and give. If there is nothing is there, if you are using for the first time, right? It will not give directly the application orange HRM application. Suppose now I will go to CLAUDE. I will show you that here. CLAUDE in the CLAUDE in the CLAUDE no I am using this prompt. Okay, just write playwright code, generic playwright code. It's a generic prompt. Okay, see what it will give. So if you are using previously same application, right, it will analyze and it will give the see it will read our previous prompts. That is also analyzing skills are there. Okay, can you see here? I can write you a playwright test, but see previously I used some context here, right? So where is playwright code, right? So because of this previous prompts, no, in this prompt I mentioned, right? Write only the orange HRM application. So based on this, it will read the previous like prompt data also. So it will remember the what we are searching. That is also you need to keep in mind. It will remember what you are searching. Okay. Say it has given what is from it has given directly captured from orange HRM application because of the previous prompts. Now see I'm using in the CLAUDE for the first time, right? Can you see here? It has given the prototype of the code, same code only, playwright code only, but see some code, some application, it is different. So generically it gave. It is not what we are expecting. It's a generic prompt. It has given generic code, right? That is what you need to understand. Okay. No context is there. It's too generic. Generic. Normally playwright code. It give one playwright code. That's it. See now I will give one good prompt. Okay. Write a playwright JavaScript test script test cases for orange HRM login page and use proper locators. Specifically mention locators. What are the locators? Just use CSS selectors. Don't want exports. Okay. Locators, add assertions, right? And follow best practices. Okay. Best practices. And also create reusables also. Just add reusables also. Okay. Also. Okay. This is my prompt. Right now it's okay. This is going to be my prompt. Okay. Right now this is my one better prompt. Okay. See, normally, right? This is like it's a good prompt. What senior engineers will do, right? Still, they can add some error handling. Already we added add assertions, right? Even you can they will add some error handling concepts like that, a senior level. This is a senior level prompt only. Okay. So senior people, right? Even the senior engineer level or a senior SDT, senior QA people, how they can ask and use something like data-driven approach or BDD approach and use BDD approach. So some better prompt. Okay. Now see. Now see the code how it will generate. The Claude is thinking. See now it see before that it's a generic white playwright code, something it has given. Okay. So there is no logic, right? Whatever the prompt I gave is a generic prompt. It gave generically. But now see, I will build this page object for reusability. Gherkin BDD via playwright BDD. See feature file it is creating native playwright test runner. Best of the world. Let me set up. See. Architecture playwright BDD configuration for Orange HRM login automation. Okay. All tools scenarios except across two browsers. Okay. It is taking some time. Or before that, no, what I'll do, right? Take the same prompt. I will categorize. I will tell you. Take the same prompt. Okay. Now in the same prompt, right? Okay. What I'll write. Okay. What I'll write. See this prompt only, right? I have used this prompt, right? I will categorize you. So just I'll do act as a senior SDET. Okay. Acting as a senior SDET. This is the role I am defining, senior SDET, and please or senior SDET write positive negative login page with username, password, login button, include education. Our application is this application I told you, right? Here, when you are doing prompt engineering, right? So some tips I am giving tips. Tips are some standards. Okay. You can consider it. These are simple steps or step tips. You can consider anything for prompt engineering. Okay. So in this, no, what we are giving, I am the whatever the prompt we are giving, it should be specific. Okay, specific. Should be specific means so mentioning application, right? Or in the term mentioning application, tools like Excel, we mentioned the tool. Even for automation, no, we will mention a language also, like JavaScript. Even that also I'll copy automation one. Copy this. Copy this also. So this is a manual prompt. Okay. Even this is manual prompt. This is automation prompt. Okay. Manual testing prompt. Right, test case preparation. This is automation prompt. So tools means I mentioned here. Visual JavaScript I mentioned language tools, no, playwright in Visual Studio Code. Okay, some tools or Excel I mentioned here. Application. Okay, download in the format for Excel. So like that, I gave in the prompt right here. Download in the form of Excel. So test data download about test cases in the name of Excel. So this is okay. So download in the form of Excel. Okay. This is one tool, just imagine. That should be specific. So I'm telling you. So context means nothing but it's a background. Okay. Background of the backbone of the content, I can say. Okay. Here you are mentioning, you can mention here, right? Playwright JavaScript, right? Test case for you are mentioning application name or login page. So this is where it should, the context is login page, right? And also it's UI application. Login page in UI application. So like that, the context is very important. Output, right? Output, how we are expecting the output in tabular format, in tabular format, in tabular format. In tabular format, I'm asking download the about SKS in the same format in Excel. Okay, in the same format, in the same tabular format. Just you can say here, same tabular format in Excel. So like that output. Here one more important thing is so role-based prompts. Role-based prompts. In the role-based prompts, now what will happen, right? So it will our like ChatGPT AI tools they come to know who is searching. Okay, if you are searching in a senior SGT level, the output will be one thing. If you are searching as a fresher, the output comes. So if you are searching fresher, the output is different. Output may vary. Okay, senior QA or manager level, no, the output is different. So these and all role based. Okay. So whatever the thing, improve step by step, step by step. So this is what some tips about the prompt engineering, and we will see here it got generated, right? Okay, BDD styles. Can you see BDD framework, feature file, scenario outline. So you can download this file and you can verify. You can directly download all these things and you can verify in your step or ignore BDD. So give me same context and data driven framework. Instead of BDD, we need to download those files, right? Feature files and all. I'm asking same context and data-driven framework. Okay, it will take some time. Before that, no, I will give one more few more things. Suppose if you are asking anything, hmm? Mm, so suppose, hmm? Now here you ask, right? Just to provide, see in this prompt, no, we are asking positive test cases, negative test cases. Now what I am giving, right? Okay. Here after that, no, what my mind got changed. Okay. So we have few tags, while giving the prompts, we have few tags called meta tag. We call them as metadata tag. Suppose, so now in this prompt, no, I asked for it positive test cases, negative test cases for login page with username, password, and login. Copy same thing. Now my expectation got changed. I am asking, I am questioning, or I am giving instructions to the AI tools. So write positive test cases, right? Now I will give here prompt. Just give critical scenarios. These are the tags. We call it as metadata tags. Okay, metadata critical, right? Only critical, right? Positive, negative test scenarios for this. Okay, and same copy paste, right? Critical. The test case count got reduced. See, positive test case got 5 previously. How many are there? Positive test cases? Something like 8 test cases. Now it came to 5 test cases. Can you see here? Everything got updated. 5 test cases, something, some test cases, positive test cases. Okay, now see it is given. See, positive test cases it gave, negative test cases it gave, all edge test cases it gave, right? The ChatGPT has given positive test cases, edge test cases, negative test cases. Now here, what I will write, I will give mandatory. Okay, mandatory test cases, right? I will give only positive test cases in this prompt. Test cases for login page, which is login button. Don't include edge test cases. Can you see now what output it will give? Mandatory test cases. What are the mandatory test cases? See, mandatory positive test cases. There are no negative test cases. There are no edge test cases, right? So you can apply tags also. Okay. Or you can give again prompt here. High priority, right? Negative test cases for login page. So exclude, include this all, and don't include edge cases. Now it should generate high priority negative test cases. Can you see here? It is taking from count 15 to here 16, 17. Only high priority. Only negative login test cases high priority. Priority is high. Can you see here? It is the summary is given. The count is 20. And this is what this is enough. This is the context I am providing. I think prompt engineering is becoming a must skill for QA engineers because it saves time, improves productivity, help us to think like a senior SDT, right? Always remember, no, don't do common mistakes. Like whenever you are giving any prompt, no, mention the tools like Playwright, Selenium, or Excel. When you are downloading the test cases, which application it is, what is the page, login page. So those things, some tips I told you, right, should be specific. Should have context, or should have proper output. In which format, role based, either we're asking senior SDA team manager and all. Okay. So final thought is it saves our time, improves productivity. Okay. So if you find my session is helpful for you guys, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much.